Here are some interesting facts about insects. Number of species. There are over 1 million known species of insects, but scientists estimate that there may be as many as 10 million. Weight. Insects weight. The total weight of all insects is around 70 times more than all humans. Habitat. Insects can be found in almost every habitat, from the snow-covered mountains to the hottest deserts. History. Insects have been around for more than 350 million years, which is longer than dinosaurs and flowering plants. Orders. The largest order of insects is the beetles, flowers by butterflies and moths. Troop flies and ants, bees and wasps. Beneficial. What is the beneficial of insects? Beneficial. Insects can help people by pollinating crops, making honey, and providing food for other animals. Harmful. What is harmful? Insects can be pests that change crops, spread disease or bite and sting. Anatomy. Insects have 3 body parts: a head, a thorax, and abdomen. They also have 3 pairs of legs, 1 or 2 pairs of wings, and a pair of antennae. Exoskeleton. Insects have a thick outer covering called an exoskeleton. Brains. Insects have brains with areas that perform similar functions to the cortex in humans, which is responsible for thought and consciousness. Thank you.